You searched how to buy shares of Inspirato Inc. Inspirato operates in the luxury travel and vacation services sector, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker ISPO. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by submitting an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ISPO to find Inspirato Inc. Select the matching result to open the company listing so you can confirm you have the right stock. On the stock page, check the company description and the price chart to see recent performance and basic details. Confirm the listing refers to the luxury travel business before moving ahead. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your eToro portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link to eToro, check the video description below.